So you've signed the authority to sell your home. So what actually happens next? Well, we get to work fast and we put a detailed timeline with the key ingredients, with the right strategy, with the end goal in mind to have you sold for the best price in an efficient timeline. Next is presentation. This is where the magic starts. Whether that's a garden presentation set up, a lick of paint, styling, a presentation clean, getting the key ingredients right, where you spend $1 and get $5 back with your investment to make sure when the buyers walk in, they feel connected to your home. Then the marketing, the highest quality twilight photos, your floor plan, your site plan, your ad copy, your video, launching onto the major websites being Domain and realestate.com, buxton.com.au and a range of others, pushing down social media with Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, moving your property through our centralised database to targeted registered buyers, and then it's showtime for your first open for inspection. Then it's open for inspection time, bringing your buyers through in competition on your Saturday opens and your midweek opens. That way you've only got 2 opens per week and you can live a normal life outside of those times. You'll be getting your feedback from your buyers in real time over phone, SMS, email with weekly reports every week to keep you fully informed with where your home is sitting with your best buyers. Then it's behind the scenes where we're communicating with your buyers one-on-one over the phone, also SMS and email to our centralised database to try and bring in more outer area buyers to your home, while navigating the energy, whether it's best to sell under competition before your close date or auction, or drive that energy through to your auction date or close date, depending on what's better for the client. Now the big thing is, you're not doing this alone. You've got a full team guiding you through all the way along. So if you're thinking about selling, we'd love to step this out for you so you can see how it will look for your home. Thanks for watching. Look forward to speaking soon.